Hi everyone, in front of me I've got UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Then we have to scroll down and find a special number which is called build number, and as you can see it is at the very bottom of the list. So now all we have to do is to keep tapping on it right here until we'll see this information that we are in the developer mode. So now we can go to the system, so go back to this left section and tap on the system which is at the top, and then scroll down to tap on developer options. So here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show notification channel warnings, we can disable the USB audio routing, show view updates, window animation scale, for example. Right here we've got some options which are connected with the no working overall, etc. So basically, to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just take a look at this option which is pinned to the top of the screen and tap on the switcher. Most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, you can see that the developer options will disappear, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.